We have become a new Feely family tradition of going to the Gaylord for Thanksgiving with our family and friends. So much fun. We had the best time. The food here is absolutely incredible. The spread, you guys, you won't even believe it. And then afterwards, we walked off some of our food. And of course, we had to go some sledding. That's always a must. And then we had to throw some snowballs. And then Luke wrote letters to Santa Claus. And then we walked around the hotel a little bit before heading back to our room to rest before going to ice the next morning. Make sure to stick around to watch that video for tomorrow.
Please subscribe to our channel and like and comment on the videos. It would bless us so much. Thank you.
The Gaylord. Spending Thanksgiving at the Gaylord. Got some passed out kids in the back.
I'm not passed out.
Oh, no, not my son, just my daughter. And we don't have to cook Thanksgiving this year.
The driver's not passed out.
Driver's not passed out. And we are excited to have a relaxing and amazing time. You guys excited? Grace?
Yes.
So we have started a new tradition after decades and decades of cooking Thanksgiving for 20 plus people. We decided to take a little bit of a break last year and go to the Gaylord for Thanksgiving with our family and experience ice after Thanksgiving dinner. And it was just the best time. So we did it again this year and we want to take you along the experience. This hotel is absolutely gorgeous and the perfect place to spend the holidays. It has so much Christmas. Everywhere you look, there is so much Christmas and there's so much to do, so many activities. You can go scavenger hunting, you can go to the ice show, you can throw snowballs, you can write letters to Santa, you can listen to Miss Claus doing stories, you can paint canvases, pottery. There's so much to do and it's such a good time.
Mariachi music on Thanksgiving. Where can you go wrong? It's awesome.
They have several atrium views. We decided to do the side atrium this year just to get a little bit more quiet, and we absolutely love the location.
Thanksgiving, baby.
Happy Thanksgiving, baby.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, it is. That's cute.
The theme of ice this year was elf, so it was super cute that they incorporated that on the train. You can even get your pictures with Santa Claus. Again, they have so much Christmas stuff here, it's impossible to do everything, and you get to kind of pick and choose and do different things on different years, which keeps it exciting.
Where is that? Where the hot dogs?
We decided to get a nice cup of hot cocoa and sit by the fireplace and enjoy the environment.
Welcome your sister, Luke.
Every little detail is perfection. I mean, they even have a Texas bluebonnet tree, y'all. This is so cute. I loved it, and I love everything about this hotel. Again, so much Christmas, so much fun. The Gaylord has several locations you can have Thanksgiving. They have the Riverwalk Cantina, which has Mexican food. They have Zeppeli, which has Italian, and they also have the steakhouse. We decided to do the Riverwalk Cantina because we had such a great time last year. It's so fun to listen to mariachi music at Thanksgiving, and we went with some of our great good friends who are family and just had the best time. They have so many different options. Because it is more of a brunch, they also have an omelet bar and they have breakfast foods. And they had all these different types of Mexican food as well. They had this amazing quinoa salad that was absolutely to die for. And then they had this octopus ceviche, which was some of the best ceviche I've ever had. And then they also had a seafood tray, so you could go ahead and have oysters, shrimp, they have crab, they have cocktail sauce, they have melted butter. It was amazing. Then they had this whole bread selection of pastries and then also more lunch breads, and then they have a full-on spread for the kids. Tater tots, corn dogs, mac and cheese, chicken tenders, and french fries. And then they had your Thanksgiving go-tos. They had prime rib, they had a stuffed pork tenderloin, which was absolutely delicious, and of course their turkey was incredible. Really loved it, and what I loved most about it is I didn't have to make it, and it was so delicious and just so many different options to pick from. And then they had this incredible gravy that was delicious, and then this roasted butternut squash soup. One of my favorite things was they had this Mexican coffee and these churros. Absolutely incredible. I actually got a side of their homemade ice cream, put some caramel on top of it, had some churros and some Mexican coffee, which is kind of like a sweeter coffee with cinnamon in it. And it was one of the best desserts I've ever had. It was awesome. Again, it was a brunch, so they also had a full-on breakfast spread. We decided to go a little bit later, so we went at 2:30, so we were kind of over the breakfast food, but if you wanted to partake of the breakfast food, they all have it here. And then they had these cinnamon waffles, which reminded me of the Mickey churro waffles over on the Disney cruise ship, so that was delicious. And then, of course, they have your biscuits and gravy, and then other breakfast options should you decide to eat. They also have these Mexican-inspired options. They had this awesome rice with different Mexican spices in it, and they had other dishes that had sort of like the Spanish flair. And then they had your go-to dishes. So they had like a mashed potato, and they also had stuffing. So you can get anything and everything you want. So you don't, just because it is at a Mexican restaurant doesn't mean that they had just Mexican food. So you can get your breakfast food, you can get your Thanksgiving food, and you can get other different dishes. Now my favorite dish was like this chile dish. What is it? Chiles and nogada. And it reminded me of mincemeat, which is a British dish. It's a dessert that has different like raisins and spices in it, but it was stuffed in a chili and it had this white cream sauce. It was insanely delicious, and I have to learn how to make it. It was awesome. They also had these beautiful crab cakes that were so delicious. And then they had this whole charcuterie spread, which, I mean, come on, who doesn't like charcuterie? Some of the best cheeses, some of my favorite ones, and they had a really nice selection. I was super impressed by it. And they had different dried fruits, and they had different marinated vegetables, and then they had a different meat selection. So they had your typical charcuterie meats, but then they also had this amazing smoked salmon with all the spreads you could possibly want with it. Again, so many options, and you could have, I don't know, like 10 different meals here. And we were, needless to say, a little full when we finished. This is the area where you can build a gingerbread house and decorate it, and then you can also do gingerbread men and take it home with you, which is a super fun family activity. We then decided to walk off our meal a little bit and then headed over to the Ice Village to experience some of the fun Christmas activities. You have to be 42 inches to go ahead and sled down the snow mountain, which is so much fun. And our kids are 7 and 4, and they have the best time.
It's a good workout. Sled pushing, haha. So cute. How cute is this place? Okay, look. Here we go. So pretty. Oh yeah. Okay. Whoa! Did you like that? Okay. Okay. Whoa! I always go backwards. The wake race gets out. She's like a little walrus. Okay. After going on the slides, we decided to go over and build some snowballs and throw them into the different tubes. It's a lot of fun, especially if your kid is into baseball, which our son is totally into baseball. And he had the best time doing little target practice, so it was kind of like 2 for 1. We got some baseball practice in and some good old-fashioned fun snowball throwing. Whoa, good job, buddy.
Oh, I got it in!
Good job, buddy. After snowball throwing, we decided to walk to the hotel, check out the decorations. It's so gorgeous here. And there's lots of different areas. You can get snacks, you can get different drinks. And they have this amazing place here with really incredible gelato. I love gelato. I don't know about you guys, but the gelato here is awesome. It's so delicious, and I highly recommend you check it out. Afterwards, we walked over this cutest little hut where you can write cards to Santa Claus. And then after you write the cards to Santa Claus, you can go ahead and put it in the post office box just for Santa, so it gets there right before Christmas, which is the perfect thing to do before you go see Santa, which is exactly what we're going to do next week. So Santa's going to know exactly what the kids asked for, and we love this.
And when we wrote the letters to Santa Claus, we also wrote him a Kylo Ren lightsaber for me. And my sister, we wrote her an Elsa castle. The Gaylord is so much fun. I highly recommend you guys do this.
We love the light show at Christmas, and we love the show when the lights are on.
After a great day, we headed back to the hotel room to snuggle together and watch Home Alone 1 and Home Alone 2. We just love the Gaylord so much. I hope you guys enjoy it. And that's it.
You are thinking about having a family event, you gotta come here. It is so much Christmas. Look at this. This is crazy.
by Texas Station. There's an amazing arcade with amazing games. We just love it there. It's so much fun. You guys, I highly recommend you guys do the arcade.
Happy Thanksgiving. God bless you.
Please subscribe to our channel and like and comment on our video if you enjoyed its content. Here's another video we think you'll enjoy. Have a blessed day.